Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 10 hours before the hike, just as it says on the screen. So I had little time before my work, so I decided to do a little shopping for the hike, and I stopped by the Universal store to check out some hats. And then I went to Uniqlo to check their hiking pants and the jacket, but I also ended up liking their hats and the gloves, so I bought everything from Uniqlo. And then I just bought some candies and sushi for the hike.
बेसी बेस नि एनुअल लिभ सिक लिभ पनि बेसी छ अरे
So it was already 11:37 when we started our journey from Perth, and it was 5 hours drive. So I was just sleeping the whole time, had a little coffee break, and then I was sleeping again until we reached there. So it was 4:41 a.m. when we started our hike from the base. We initially had a plan to have breakfast before starting, but we saw everybody else already heading up, so we decided to join them. And also you can see everybody was so excited and ready for the hike. Yeah, how are you feeling?
I'm like Josh. How's the Josh?
Hi, this is Sonam before the hike. Let's go, we can do it. He is 5:05 and it's already getting warmer. So my head is out and the track is still not bad.
Rajesh. Woo, Rajesh. Sonam.
All good. Hi guys, it's 6:41 and we are here at the summit. 7:30. Going back now. Bye. Hi, love.
Hi.
It's 9:20 and we finally made it to the base. Yay!